this is my soldering set. I have a silicone mat, helping hands, wire cutters, a multimeter, flux, and solder, and of course the soldering kit over here. So if I'm missing anything, I guess leave it down in the comments. I'm gonna start doing more soldering based projects. Yeah, so I can make interesting things. That's the silicone mat. And multimeter. And then helping hands. This one, I'm not sure if I actually need it, but okay. Ooh. This is like pure metal. Aluminum, I think. Alright, let's get to screwing these on. Alright, that's all of them on. And I guess I put on the magnifying glass. For this one, clips. Not sure if this is gonna be any help, but we'll see. And then we got this, the fan. Great, it's just the fan that you plug in. And now for the main attraction. Let's open you up. Yep. There we go. The soldering iron itself. And then there we go. We have a bunch of tips here too. With the wet sponge. And cable and the holder. And the soldering unit itself. Look at this bad boy. This is the micro setup for now. There you go. Alright, well, that's the main setup, and yeah. If you have any suggestions for anything I can make, leave it down in the comments below.